Hi, I'm Noah. I'm a project manager at Actemium. Actemium is the industrial solutions brand of VINCI Energies, which is part of the French VINCI group. Together with my roughly 24,000 colleagues in more than 40 countries, we provide reliable and cutting-edge solutions in the industrial field. For example, consulting, managing, planning. We do servicing, maintenance. Actemium's mission is to help our customer with their industrial performance and therefore help them with their competitive advantage throughout their complete and entire industrial lifecycle. As Actemium, we have been a COPA-DATA partner since 2014, continuously developing our relationship, and last year in 2023, we became Gold Partner. For us as Actemium, this means that we continuously develop our own personal. For example, I myself am certified with the professional certification from Zenon, which is the highest certification that you can have. As Actemium, we serve numerous industries, but we utilize the specialized functionalities of Zenon, like batch control or the continuous export of alarm messages to serve our customers in the life science industry, especially in the highly regulated field of the pharmaceutical industry. Zenon does not only help us to help our clients to be more productive and more profitable, but it also helps to be compliant to regulations and for internal quality control. In conclusion, with Zenon, we make our customers' processes more profitable. Customer success for us starts with understanding what the customer needs, their restrictions, their requirements, and then helping them with our expertise, with good communication, to a most favorable outcome for our customer. I would recommend to work with a system integrator and to also train own personnel to have a basic understanding of Zenon, so that the system integrator will build the application, will provide larger maintenance, updates, additions, and then the own personnel can do smaller servicing, small-scale maintenance, and in that combination, a customer can be very successful using Zenon. Being a COPA-DATA Gold Partner provides many benefits for us and our customers. This ranges from quick answering to service tickets or issues, a close relationship to the product development, to their business development, and also COPA-DATA provides us with visibility, like for example being at a trade show as we are right now. I see three main advantages. First of all, Zenon comes with many onboard features, especially for the life science industry. Also, thanks to VSTA and add-in, we can adapt Zenon very well to specific applications. And due to the close relationship we have, any of the issues that inevitably come up, we can solve together with the Zenon experts themselves. Overall, this makes a Zenon SCADA application very scalable and very flexible.